Hey guys, welcome to Nma Luxe, your go-to spot for all things hair. In this channel, we believe everyone deserves to look their best. So, let's get into today's video. Today we are talking about a look that never goes out of style. Blonde box braids. If you have been thinking about switching things up and going bright, this is a sign to do so. Blonde is such a vibe, but there are a few things you should know before you sit on that chair. First, let's talk about skin tone. Blonde comes in so many shades, from honey and caramel to that icy platinum. My best tip: hold the braiding hair up against your face in natural light before you start. You want a shade that makes your skin glow, not the one that makes you look washed out. Now, to get that perfect blonde look, you need to know your color numbers of your attachment. If you want a warm, sun-kissed glow, go for color 27. Which is a beautiful honey blonde. If you want something a bit more bronzed, go for attachment with color 30. It's a great light ebony. But for those of you who want to go bold and icy, you have to ask for color 613. That's your classic platinum blonde. And if you are worried about your dark roots showing, look for T1B/27 or T1B/613. These are ombre colors that keep your roots dark and fade into blonde for a really seamless finish. There are some really cool styles you can make with these colors. Honey blonde goddess box braids using color 27 are a huge favorite because the coily ends give it such a soft, pretty look. If you want something sharper, try platinum blonde knotless braids with color 613. It looks so clean and expensive. You can even try skunk strip braids or a blonde ombre style where the color really pops at the tips. For a more subtle look, boho braids with a mix of blonde and brown strands give off a perfect vacation vibe. Speaking of roots, remember your natural hair color. Since your hair is tucked inside the braids, you will see your natural roots as they grow out. A lot of people love that shadow root look, but if you want it to look seamless, try a mix of blonde and a bit of brown at the end so the transition looks more natural. For every hairstyle, maintenance is key. Blonde hair shows depth and length a lot faster than black hair. Make sure you are using a clear braid sheen or a light oil, nothing too heavy or tinted, to keep them looking fresh and shiny. So ladies, if you are going honey blonde, icy platinum, or maybe a mix of both, let me know in the comments which style and color number is your favorite. And if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle tips, inspirations, tutorials, and ideas. And if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle tips, inspirations, tutorials, and ideas. Catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.